Where purpose is not known, abuse is inevitable. What's going on, my high vibrational individual expressions of God on earth? It's your boy, THRU Rogers, aka Master Teacher 33. As you can see, the Restore Purpose Initiative. I've been doing one thing and one thing only for the last 25 plus years, and that is purpose. As you know, you go to the website, dearcanierreport.com. Dearcanierreport.com. Dearcanier is a Greek word that means service or ministry. I've been getting this into the hands of every person on the planet that I can. That's the goal. The goal is to get this 750-page document into the hands of every individual on the planet. Why? As you know, my mentor, one of my mentors, the great late Dr. Miles wrote, talked about purpose and made a statement that is profound, where purpose is not known, abuse is inevitable. In my 20 plus years in law enforcement, corrections, United States Marine Corps, loss prevention, code enforcement, anything to do with the correcting of behavior modification, I never met a man or a woman who knew their purpose. So what exactly is the Restore Purpose Initiative? The Restore Purpose Initiative. I want to pull up something here on my website just to kind of go through it. Because I share so much information, I've written so many books over the years, sometimes people get confused over what exactly that I do, because I talk about so many different topics, so many different subjects dealing with cosmology, theology, and biology. But never get it twisted. At the end of the day, it's all about purpose, especially on an individual level. So we all have a mission. We all have meaning. Nothing is more powerful in life, in my experience, than meaning. A reason for waking up in the morning, something that motivates you to jump out of bed, something that gives you a sense of value. We all want to be loved. We all want to be valued. We all want to be respected. In my years in law enforcement and corrections, the thing that always stood out to me was most of the time when you find people engaging in, non-productive activity, is because, well, my grandmother used to tell me all the time when I was a kid, an idle mind is the devil's workshop. And so when I find people, especially younger people like myself, because I was going down that same path until thankfully, after high school, I went into the military. And it helped me find a sense of direction, gave me a sense of meaning, gave me something to do until I found purpose. Again, I went through, 60 plus jobs, 20 different businesses. My life was in shambles until I found purpose. Because again, where purpose is not known, abuse is inevitable. The most important thing on the planet, other than having a connection with a higher power, aka God, aka Yahushua the HaMashiach, aka Jesus the Christ, nothing is more important than finding purpose. So what does purpose represent? Well, I created this little chart. Let me show you before we get into some graphics here. So everybody has a goal. You're born with a specific goal. You don't learn it. You're born with it. It's innate. You got a goal that gives you an objective, that allows you to dream, that gives you the ability to take action, which allows you to be responsible, which allows you to establish a mission, which allows you to have an operating statement, marketing, and how you go through life. Then what we call purpose. You got values, you got your foundation, and then you have your vision. So all of this is a part of what I do for a living. That is at the basic, at the core, the Restore Purpose Initiative. The Restore Purpose Initiative is so powerful because it literally helps you to reconnect with your God-given purpose, destiny, Deacania. The Restore Purpose Initiative is connecting you with your true, authentic self. The innate, not what you've learned. We're not talking about learned behavior. We're not talking about personality. We're talking about attributes and characteristics that allow you to be the best in the world at what you do. My purpose, my life path, my numbers or 3-3. This is where I get my brand, my logo, my goal, my objectives. When I wake up in the morning, I know exactly what I'm doing. My dream, what do I dream about every day? My action, what actions do I take? The responsibility in my life. Everything in my life is structured around the numbers 336. Creative creator that compassionately communicates, 336. If you go, you can just research what the meaning, if you're new to numerology. Again, I break all of this down inside of the book, the Dear Canary Report, 750 pages that come with the program, the Restore Purpose Initiative. And the reason why I created the program was to get this into the hands of the people that really need it. When I worked in, especially at a federal halfway house, when I worked at the Supermax, when I worked in the prison system, when I was in law enforcement, again, as I've been saying for years, I've never met a man or woman in prison who knew their purpose. People who had a false identity, which is why I created the other systems that I have to assist you with the psychology behind your identity. Because again, where purpose is not known, abuse is inevitable. And so I created an identity transformation protocol that's a part of the Restore Purpose Initiative to assist people with identifying the current habit pattern. Everything starts with your current habit. How do you see the world? How do you perceive reality? Because most of the time, the way that we perceive reality is flawed. It's not based upon a system that's beneficial. So I have my 5 questions at the website, MT33 Author to Architect. 5 questions that I ask everybody, and those 5 questions can be answered in 60 seconds. And I have that, again, 5 questions that can be answered in 60 seconds at the website. Everything is online. Everything is automated. Everything is simplified. Here's a short video I did a couple of days ago to kind of break it down for you. Let me back this up. Back up. Hang on just 1 second.
Start free. 5 questions,
and
60
if I can get this, there we go.
You've been building a life for a self that does not exist. Not the wounded self, the borrowed one. Start free. 5 questions, 60 seconds, and it names which of your 5 pillars is borrowed. Then Dr. Rogers rebuilds 1 pillar a month, one-on-one with you. 6 months, 12 souls per cohort. Walk in the identity that was always yours.
And again, this is also a part of the S.P.A.C.E 6-month identity transformation protocol. Is also a part of the Restore Purpose Initiative. Because what is the purpose? Is to establish a high vibrational mindset that we call heaven. Establishing heaven in the body. Heaven, again, love, joy, peace, gentleness, meekness, self-control. You can say it's spiritual. I mean, you can talk about or say that it's religious. But I'm not talking about religion. I'm talking about behavioral modification. I'm talking about how to be able to control your thoughts. How to be able to manage. 3 things in life that's extremely important in my years on this planet that I've seen. That if you can master these 3 things, your life changes. Number 1, you have to be able to prioritize. And number 2, you got to be able to organize. And number 3, you got to be able to optimize. If you do those 3 things, I guarantee you'll be successful. But you got to be able to prioritize your life around your own innate attributes and characteristics. When you prioritize your life around your innate attributes and characteristics, that allows you now to organize. But you got to put, okay, how do you prioritize? What is the most important thing that you need to do? Number 1, how do you organize it? Number 2, and then how do you optimize it? How do you actually get it to a point where you are able to bring about discipline, focus, discipline, and order? That is a self-imposed limitations. Discipline is self-imposed. That's success. Success is the ability for you to govern. Prisons are for people who can't govern themselves. But there's a reason why, in my opinion, now again, sure there may be mental health issues and so on and so forth. That's another study for another time. But what I'm talking about is the inability to exercise self-control. So the discipline is, again, it's a self-imposed limit. That's what purpose does. You see, where purpose is not known, the Bible says, where purpose is not known, people cast off restraint. That means they don't have the ability to exercise self-control. So we're going about it the wrong way. Most systems don't deal with the core issue. They treat the symptom, just like the medical community. Most hospitals and most doctors, they don't treat the core issue. They deal with the effect and not the cause. So what this program does is it deals with the cause. What is the causality of your reality? If you don't deal with the cause, what is the cause? The cause is a being state. The cause is you're not being the solution, you're being the problem. Look at the word being. So being, solution, you got to be. It's not do or have, you got to be. Be is a mental disposition. That's what purpose is. Purpose is a mental disposition. Purpose is who you are designed. Purpose is innate. Purpose is not learned behavior. Purpose is something that you've been gifted. But there's a dark side to purpose. So most people oscillate and vibrate in the dark side of their giftedness. My job is to assist you with noticing both sides, because we are dualistic, meaning we have what the scripture talks about. The flesh wars against the spirit wars against the flesh. So we got 2 eyes, 2 nostrils, 2 hands. We're binary beings. That old saying, we all have 2 wolves. We have a good one and a bad one. Which wolf is going to win? The one that you feed. So purpose is about identifying and feeding the wolf that you want and that you are designed to be, to do, and to have. There's another flyer that I created that talks about the Restore Purpose Initiative, where your identity determines your income. And the program is a step-by-step where it takes each individual through identity to income. It is really focusing on people who are starting or in the re-entry process and need assistance with workforce development. And so what this does is it's personalized, because you are unique and you are an individual. So no 2 people are the same. So you need your own personalized behavioral modification system. It is an individualized protocol that moves you through structured coaching towards employment, towards training, towards entrepreneurship. Whatever the goal is, the whole purpose of the program is to improve your engagement through planning and readiness and retention and measurable outcomes. That's what this is all about. And so in my 20 plus years, what I've learned over the years is that most people, again, they don't have this in their life. They don't have a step-by-step system that restores purpose, that reconnects them to their true God-given purpose, destiny, and dear career. That's what the Restore Purpose Initiative is all about. So for more information, you already know what to do. Check out the website, MT33 Author to Architect. Also check out the website, dearcareerreport.com. Also check out the website, lifeoptimizationreport.com. Again, I've been sending out and connecting with different nonprofit organizations, reentry programs, prison systems to share this life-changing program with as many people as possible. Because again, where purpose is not known, abuse is inevitable. What is my purpose? To make sure that I get this 750-page document into the hands of every man, woman, and child on this planet that don't know their God-given purpose. Because people who don't have purpose, the Bible also says, where there is no vision, people cast off restraint. That just simply means the inability to exercise self-control. Vision is a mental picture in the mind of where you have been designed and gifted by God to go. Brothers and sisters, love you, appreciate you. Thank you for allowing me these few minutes to share my vision with you. God bless.